Hi, thanks for joining us for Unit 4 entitled The Recessional. You know what that means? It means you're almost done with your Acolyte training. Plus, it also means that the church service is almost over. Let's take a moment to review the steps of the Recessional. But if you remember one thing, it'll really make it a lot easier. You're going to exit the church in the same way you entered the church. So the first step is for you to leave the Acolyte bench and retrieve your candle lighter from its holder in the first pew. And you'll walk to the center aisle and you'll look up at the cross and bow. Then you'll head over to your right towards the pulpit and extinguish the torch candles. And then you'll head back to center aisle, look up at the cross and bow. And then you'll walk up to the altar table and extinguish the altar candles, this time starting from right to left when you extinguish them. And when they're all extinguished, you'll head back to the center aisle, bow. And then you'll get in line to begin the recessional. Remember, you fall in behind the Bible bearer the same way you did when you walked into the church. And you're going to exit down the center aisle towards the back of the church, headed towards the narthex door. Let's watch a recessional now, and I'll give you some comments along the way. So you can see the crucifer has retrieved the cross and is standing in the center aisle. Bible bearer has retrieved the Bible, and the acolyte has bowed at center aisle and is over at the pulpit extinguishing the 2 torch candles. Next, the acolyte will return to the center aisle and bow. And now the acolyte will head up to the altar table and extinguish the altar candles, starting from the right and moving over to the left. Next, the acolyte will return to center aisle and bow, and then fall in line to exit the church in the recessional. And you'll see again that everyone is in the same order they were when you walked into the church. So first we have the crucifer, followed by the Bible bearer. Next is the acolyte, and then the pastor. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for agreeing to be an acolyte at St. John Lutheran Church, Windfall. We're very glad to have you serve. Thank you.